Hello everyone, and today we'll speak about Palladium. And now we see some short trend here. For my last buying and some trades ago, we are going down. The Palladium don't closed upper than the level 200 EMA. We are going down than this level. I have some long here for the Palladium and close it for 5% profit. Then we are going down for 22% for the level 200 CM on day range after we broke down this level and going for the 9% lower. And now we see some interesting level here for the Palladium on day range. If we see on the left side of our graphic, here we see some interesting level where we can see the level of 1250, and from this level we can open some interesting long. I think this long we can trade on next week, and it's really interesting level because it was a support some level and it can be the support for some previous time ago. We have this level for the resistance, and I think that we can have here this position for the retest. Some videos ago I show you the strategy of retest the level on silver, and here we can have some trade like this, and we can get the stop lower than the level 1200. It can be 4%, and our profits can be for the level 1500. It can be 20% here. It's a really good and interesting trade. I think we can do it on the next week, and here we need to buy the Palladium, get the stop lower than the level 1200, and get some really good profit. I think it can be 1 to 5, risk and 5 profits, because the risk hour is 4% and the profit hour is 20%. Is really good trade. Money management and risk management here is really interesting, and the trade is really good. If we are going down to this level, I think that here we need to buy the Palladium and have some profits. Maybe for some weeks, I think that this trend needs to maybe all April. It can be 3 or 2 weeks here, but it's really interesting, and the risk here is so short, and the profits are really good. I think that it's a good trade, and we can get it on the next week. It's my opinion about Palladium and the Platinum. If we speak about the Platinum, here we can see that the Platinum closed upper than the level 200 EMA on day range, and before we closed upper than the level of 200 EMA, it's really good and long trend here, and I have some long position here and have some profits, and think that we can go higher for the Platinum, but I think we need to see how we close this week, and we need to close this week higher than the level, I think 1800, and if we close this week higher than this level, on the next week we can go higher for the Platinum too. It's my opinion about these two metals, and some interesting opinion about trade for the Palladium. Have a nice weekend, and bye bye.